Hi, today we want to show you a secRMM feature where you can implement removable storage security in a virtual desktop environment or cloud environment. And so to get started, we're going to use Azure as our cloud platform. And you can see I'm in the Azure portal, and here we have two Windows 11 virtual machines running, and then for the end user, Microsoft has this Azure VDI app that you can run, and you can see that I've got two users defined here, and I logged into this virtual machine or VDI machine, and you can see this is the machine, and notice that this drive is actually a thumb drive. You can see it says driver folder redirected using remote desktop. So from a security standpoint, we need something like secRMM running in this virtual machine. And what I wanted to show you today that's most important is not only can you audit and monitor and control your removable storage devices in this VDI session, but you can also do your implementation in the cloud as well by using Microsoft Intune. And again, showing you this, we have these two Windows 11 virtual machines, and they're actually being managed inside of Intune. So if I come here to the Windows devices, you can see that they're being managed in here, and that also means that I can come here and deploy secRMM and the license file right from Intune. And then on top of that, I can also control the policies on those machines, and it's actually quite simple. It's just using PowerShell scripts. So if I click on the scripts here, you can see that there's these two secRMM policies. And how do we manage those in Intune? We do this with this little tool called the secRMM policy configurator. So I could just come here and get the policies, and I can edit them. So that's what I want to show you inside that VDI. Here's a user policy, and when that user logs in, so one more thing to show you. This policy here says it's been assigned. So you just come here and you can assign the different users. So you could see that we have a sales and marketing group, and it's got the two users in it. So if I come here to groups, and then sales and marketing, let's see, where's that group members? So you can see I have two users in there. And if we come back to the virtual desktop here, right now I'm logged in as a non-admin account. So let me just log in, because you can't get to the secRMM. All right, so I'm running as an administrator now. And I just want to show you this real quick. Because we're managing the policies in Intune, now down on this local machine, you can see that when the end user, Barbara in this case, logged in to this VDI session, it went out to Intune and got the policy and put it on this machine. So you could see that this is the policy that overrides the computer policy, which should be, pretty much no USB allowed, but for demo purposes, we're kind of just allowing the whole pile to go here. So the other thing too is that's how you control policies on these VDI machines. I mean, that's one approach, of course, is to use Intune, and it's a good way to implement this in the cloud. But you can see here that inside of this VDI session, that secRMM is auditing all of the normal stuff you would do for removable storage security in the cloud. So that's a really quick demo of what I wanted to show you today about using secRMM inside of an Azure VDI environment. Thank you very much, and have a good day.